Hello, I'm going to be reviewing the SOMiC GS510 pink headset, the cat ear headset, and they also come in purple and black, but I got the pink ones. So thank you so much SOMiC for sending these to me. And the design on these is actually super cute. It's supposed to be like a cat aesthetic. So on the side, the plates actually have a little cat with hearts on them. And you can actually change these for just solid pink ones, but I put these on because they're cuter. The mic is super cool. You can actually hide it into the slot so it's not in your face all the time if it's not in use. And I'm actually using the mic to do this voiceover, so that's cool. So to turn it on, you just power it on. You hold the button for 3 seconds and it turns on, and it lights up in different colors, and for some reason it shows that it's glitching, but it's not. I don't know why it looks like that when I film, but it's not. And these are the plain ones I was talking about, and they magnetically stick on. These are the wires that come with it. It comes with a Type-C, USB, and then I call this an aux cord, and then the USB drive that you can connect to your PC computer, and it lets you make the headphones wireless. The instruction manual, which comes in different languages. And yeah, so I'm going to connect this to my computer so you guys can see how this wireless works out. It's super easy. You just plug it in and it connects. And then you have the volume adjust on the side of the headphone and the mode adjust, and then you turn the mic on and off. And yeah. So I'm going to show you the colors. And like I said, it looks like it's glitching, but they're not actually glitching. They just look like that on camera. I don't know why. But the sound quality is really nice on these, and I'm actually going to show you the sound quality. So let me be quiet real quick and stay tuned. So that is the best sound quality test I can do for you guys. I actually do a more in-depth word review and text review on my Instagram if you want to check that out, on my reels or on my feed post. So check that out and feel free to message me if you want to know some more tips about these headsets and what they can do, and yeah, their quality and stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for this beautiful headset.